Hey, what's going on, family? Today, we're going to talk about this article right here from CoinDesk. Yes, there's some problems going on within the Solana community, within the Solana blockchain. Apparently, given the permissionless option that is available within the cryptocurrency space, you do have some nefarious people, individuals who create cryptocurrency that could be offensive to people. And this is what this article is going into from CoinDesk. So we're going to break that down, and then we're going to look at the price prediction, as I always do on this channel, to see whether or not this could impact the price action for Solana. So let's go. So you can see from the title, Solana Foundation says it can filter through the offensive meme coin problem. So there's a meme coin problem right now going down on the Solana blockchain. So now they're trying to rectify the situation. How can they fix this problem? Apparently, someone thinks that all they need to do is create a filter on the Solana blockchain. But then that causes restriction. I thought cryptocurrency is supposed to be permissionless. It's supposed to be free reign. But once you start placing filters on the blockchain and allowing certain people to gain and not have access, then what are you supposed to do? In the past few months, many meme coins has appeared containing racist terms. There it is. It is being infected by meme coins with just simple racist terms. Panelists during a discussion at the BUIDL Asia debated on how to best deal with this problem. Can this reverberate across all of the cryptocurrency blockchains that's available right now? Of course it can. Not just Solana. It could happen on any other blockchain that allows access for people to create their own altcoins. For us to say that we didn't think this was ever going to happen within the cryptocurrency space is crazy. It is now on the doorstep of Solana's blockchain. And how they would implement the erasure of these racist meme coins is going to be very important, because they don't want to have the reputation of a blockchain that has racist meme coins on it. As funny and irreverent as meme coins are, the category also has a problem with an explosion of tokens with names containing the N-word and other racist themes. I'm not going to pull it up, but they're out there. Maybe a simple Google search, you'll see these meme coins and the racist things behind them. During a panel discussion on meme coins at the recent BUIDL Asia Summit in Seoul, panelists debated how to deal with the problem. Should wallet apps and decentralized exchanges screen out banned words? Or do the nodes, the ones who transact the transactions, have a duty to stop these tokens dead in their tracks? Where is the pinpoint at? Who's responsible for stopping these meme coins from growing, from being seen? Is it decentralized exchanges? Is it wallet developers? Is it the people who control the nodes? Should they stop it in their tracks? Quote, choice means the right for a wallet developer to institute a block list, Austin Federa says. The Solana Foundation's head of strategy said during the panel, quote, almost every wallet in every ecosystem filters out spam NFTs and spam tokens. So he's trying to say, put it on the wallet. It's the wallet responsibility to ensure that these racist meme coins don't come to light. Users always have the ability to reveal something if they want to, but the core network needs to remain permissionless. The road needs to remain clear, is what he's saying. You don't need to put roadblocks on the road of the Solana blockchain. Federa made an analogy to the internet. It's unreasonable to expect an internet service provider to filter out content that some might find offensive, he said. After all, the internet, like crypto, operates on a largely permissionless basis. Which is true. No one expects Verizon to have a legal obligation to stop a phishing email from landing in your inbox or to prevent you from accessing something that is potentially racist material. He said, Solana is all on the application level. It's wallets making decisions about the kind of content they want to show up and display. So that's what he's thinking. He's trying to put the brunt of the responsibility on the wallet developers. He wants the base layer of the Solana blockchain to remain free, with no blockage, with no blockades, with no filters on the base layer. Because overall, he sees Solana as the internet, and that needs to remain permissionless. But then you have this person right here, Marc Zeller. He had a different perspective. He's pointing out that under European Union law, there's an obligation to filter content. Quote, in France, for instance, there are legal obligations for internet service providers to block certain content, he said, giving the example of Holocaust denialism. So maybe the responsibility needs to be on all parties participating, transacting on the blockchain, whether you're a decentralized exchange, whether you're a wallet developer, whether you're the base layer of these cryptocurrencies. Everybody has a responsibility. That's how I see it. It shouldn't be, the brunt of the responsibility shouldn't be placed on just one entity. All people who transact, who use the blockchain, needs to be responsible. If you're going to create a community that you don't want to have any offensive content on your blockchain in your community, then everybody needs to play an active role. Everybody. Let's go on a little further. Quote, I'm not saying it's a good thing, nor am I trying to be political. It's interesting to point out that different cultures have different approaches to the same issue. End quote. Focusing on the blockchain ethos, we tend to support free speech and believe that censorship resistance is more important than eliminating displeasing content. Federa said that some validators and nodes believe they have a legal obligation to censor some content, citing the U.S. Office of Foreign Assets Control, imposing sanctions on Ethereum Tornado Cash transaction and North Korean and other crypto wallets. So now, do you want to bring in centralized government to control your crypto? Is that what Federa is trying to say? Because if the central government gets involved, then you have some bigger issues of allowing Solana to remain permissionless. This wasn't without significant debate within the Ethereum community, and some proposed countermeasures to slash or sanction nodes that participated in censoring transactions in line with OFAC guidance. Who's going to run this thing is what people are trying to figure out. Who's going to say yay or nay that this particular meme coin is racist, that it's offensive, that it's going to harm a particular type of people or community? Who is going to take that up? Federa also mentioned that despite the attention racist meme coins have gotten, in the grand scheme of things, they are minuscule compared to crypto scale. Yeah, that's right now. But even the minuscule, the small portion of racist meme coin doesn't bode well for your reputation. You don't want to be seen as a place to where racist meme coins are being created and offered for sale. Quote, this is very much akin to in the United States, where there's a hate group that has 20 members that goes and protests in front of a church, and they're on national news, and it's a big thing. But if you look at it, there's 20 people, and all they want is attention, he said. Oh, okay. Yeah, until that 20 multiplies, and then multiplies, and then multiplies, and then multiplies. Where do you stand? I'm asking you, the one who is listening to my voice right now on this video. Who is responsible? Who do you think should be held responsible for the creation of these racist and offensive meme coins? Is it the foundation, the base layer of the blockchain? Do you think decentralized exchanges should be held responsible? Do you think wallet developers, those who are producing and creating protocols and apps on the blockchain, are they responsible? Or do you think centralized government should come and get involved to rein in this offensive, harmful, and racist content, cryptocurrency? This is going to be a great discussion for many, many years. We're just seeing the door crack open on what nefarious, deceitful, evil individuals would do to a permissionless blockchain like the internet. So now, a lot of the internet service providers today, they do filter out that content to where you don't see it. The other content, though, the racist, the harmful, the offensive content that's on the internet is on the dark web, though. It's shadowed, is being swept to where the more open community do not see that, but it's still there. Is there something that these cryptocurrency, these blockchains can do to implement to where these offensive, harmful meme coins and racist meme coins can be placed in a location that masses of people just won't know nothing about? Like the internet today. Let's talk about it later. All right, so let's get to the price. You guys can see here Solana right here. We did a price prediction on the 17th of March, looking for price in Solana to go up. Initially, the market came down. Take a look, and it bounced off of our buy zone, and the market went up. So now we can see, though, we got a problem, and I don't like this problem for our prediction. The market in Solana came right back up here to our sell zone, and you can see it. It got rejected again, twice. That's not a good thing. If you're looking for the price to go up, we need to see the buyers break through that sell zone, and right now they're not doing it. So our prediction is in jeopardy of being broken, of not seeing Solana continue to go higher. But I told you all about that this area is a resistance area. It's a sell zone. Every time price comes up to that point, the market increases in selling. Here it is on the 2. Solana on the 3-day chart. We have 12 hours and 55 minutes. And look at the price action now. We're getting an indication of weakness up here at that sell zone. Again, that's not good. Here it is on the 5. Solana on the weekly chart. Okay. Here it is on the 2. Look at this on the 330-minute chart. And you guys can definitely see the weakness. So now I'm going to keep my price prediction here. I'm not going to change it, but I just want to make you aware that by us seeing price getting rejected off of that sell zone, that the probability of us seeing our price prediction come to fruition, it is diminishing. Okay. Now I would definitely have to change the price prediction if we see the market buyers not hold this buy zone. So I'm expecting the market to try to come down to this particular area. And then from there, we'll see the buyers buy. If they do, we'll live on to see another day for our price prediction to come and play out. But if it breaks this buy zone, I'm giving you a heads up now. Expect it to go lower and probably come down to this next buy zone. All right. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.